रेडी।
नमस्कार दर्शकबिंद, इस वक्त हम लोग दिल्ली में हैं, डीएसटीवी इंडिया न्यूज़ एंड डीएसटीवी दार्जिलिंग, साथ ही हमारा बंगला अखबार जो है जो वो श्रृंखला। इस अखबार से हम लोग एक विशेष इंटरव्यू का कार्यक्रम रखे हैं दिल्ली त्रिपुरा भवन में। यहाँ पे त्रिपुरा सरकार की ट्राइबल मिनिस्टर हमारे साथ मौजूद है इस वक्त। सर जी को तो हर नॉर्थ ईस्ट का आदमी भी पहचान लेते हैं। उन्हें आज भी दिल्ली में उन लोग जो धरना चल रहा था, उन लोग को त्रिपुरा लैंड के लिए जो आंदोलन ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड के लिए, उस विषय लेकर हम लोग उनके साथ बातचीत करेंगे। सर जी नमस्कार।
नमस्कार नमस्कार।
सर कैसे हो?
बहुत खुश है, बहुत अच्छा है जो हम लोग 2 दिन के लिए हम लोग दौड़ना किया दिल्ली जंतर मंतर में। ये हम लोग पहले बार मतलब हिस्ट्री हुआ, लेकिन हम मालूम है हम लोग बहुत दूर से आया है। फिर भी इस टाइम 2021 को हम लोग का डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिल्ली अभियान बहुत अच्छा हुआ, बहुत हाईलाइट हुआ।
सर एक्चुअली सर आप लोग को जो स्टेट डिमांड है, स्टेट को ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड बोल के जनाया जा रहा है, त्रिपुरा लैंड नहीं है, ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड, इसका वजह क्या है?
ये एक ही है, त्रिपुरा लैंड ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड एक ही है। तो आर्टिकल 2 और 3 मुताबिक वो हम लोग स्टेटहुड डिमांड कर रहा है। You may all know we have got district council, right? Way back 1984 1984 में हम लोग डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल मिला है। सिंस देन अभी नाउ 38 ईयर्स इसे हो गया। हम लोग का ड्रीम है, हम लोग का एस्पिरेशन है जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल मिलने के बाद हम इंडिजिनस पीपल, त्रिपुरी पीपल का उन लोग कल्चर, लैंग्वेज, लैंड कुछ सुरक्षा होगा, इकोनॉमी, एजुकेशन, बट ऐसे नहीं हुआ। सो आप देखिए 38 पास हो गया, फिर भी आप लोग जाके देखो डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल एरिया में आप लोग एक कॉलेज भी नहीं मिलेगा, अच्छा कॉलेज। आप लोग एक हॉस्पिटल, डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल और अच्छा हॉस्पिटल आप लोग नहीं देखेगा। इवन स्कूल, एक भी अच्छा स्कूल नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल। और एक बाजार, मार्केट, एक भी बाजार, अच्छा मार्केट हम लोग नहीं मिले। बट एज यू ऑल नो त्रिपुरा में हम लोग 2 अलग अलग है। वन इज डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल एरिया, वन इज जनरल एरियाज। डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल एरियाज कवर around 70% area.
70% area. So
70% area of the state is covered by district council, scheduled area. And this is 70% is non-scheduled area, which we call general areas. But see, in general areas, of course, there are quite development is there. Infrastructure development, school, colleges, hospital, medical college was established in general areas. Whereas 70% area mostly living by the indigenous people, Tripura people.
Yes, Tripura people.
But that area is not developed since independent. So now, young people, educated people,
Right.
they have realized that why district council is not developing. Therefore, 2009 साल with the leadership of N.C. Devarma, you all know, he is now revenue minister, forest revenue minister, most senior minister in our government, N.C. Devarma. He have find out some solution. Of course, tribal people, our indigenous people have thought that after achieving scheduled area, district council, our economy, our culture, our land will be safe or protected. But it was not true. Therefore, 2009, with the leadership of N.C. Devarma, we found some solution.
What's the solution?
That is,
which solution?
that is, district council area should be converted or upgraded to statehood.
Statehood.
This is our main demand now. Since 2009, the scheduled area should be upgraded or converted to statehood.
Statehood.
Full-fledged statehood. This is our, especially our IPFT have demand. Now, we are very lucky enough, I can say, and we are very fortunate also, since our Bubagara, which we are, is our excellency we call, is our royal family, Pradul Kishore,
Manika.
he also realized that until unless if we do not achieve the statehood, then for the long run, our people cannot survive. He also realized since 2020. So now he also demanding his party, which we call Tripura Matha, also demanding greater Tripura. His intention is he want to cover some of the area also, not only within scheduled area. There are many our people, our Indians people are living outside scheduled area. So they want to, he want to cover. So fine, it's no problem with us. So therefore, through discussion, through understanding, now the Pramata and IPFT has come closer and closer. See, our demand is the same, our dream is same. Why we will not unite together, work together, unitedly,
Right.
and if possible, we can march together in one identity, one entity. Therefore, this is the first time in history of Tripura, because in demand of statehood, we started since 2009. But this year, 2021, it become more, become more important and more highlight. As you all know, that 2 days in Dorna, yesterday and today, many like-minded MPs, leaders of different political party, also supporting our demand. They have shown their solidarity. I don't know all of them, but some of them I know. So the Priyanka,
Entered in that.
that MP, she's from Shiv Sena MP. She's very dynamic leader, dynamic ladies. She also joined with us and in demand of statehood. And today again we have a good leader, is Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh, a very popular leader. He also joined with us just to have a solidarity.
Programs in Haryana's MP,
Yeah.
Mr. Huda also.
Yeah, Honda also came. He's a very powerful man.
Yeah.
Powerful MP. He also joined with us. And some other Sorania from Kukradar MP and some other MPs. They have given their solidarity to us. So they are a great achievement. You know, Tripura is very far away from Delhi. Most leaders, or national leaders, do not understand, do not realize what is Tripura. Therefore, yesterday my speech I have given very clearly. To know everything, you have to know the history of any state. And our state, Tripura, is a very peculiar state. You all know, but very few realize, very few study what is Tripura.
So one questions that to cut your war and questions. Right now, your party, your organization, also aligns for the present BJP government in your state. But your state government, आपका इस issue से agree करेंगे?
Very right. See, we have come to understanding with the BJP party during the election, that is 2018. 2018, we thought, since CPM, the left from government, is running for the last 25 years continuously. And you all know the Communist Party, their style of functioning, their way of governing, people are not happy. And they continuously they run 25 years without any break. So people are allergic with Communist Party, with the government. So taking this opportunity, we also realize that IPFT alone cannot fight with CPM, Communist Party. And BJP also realized that BJP alone cannot fight with CPM, with the left-wing government. So we came to the understanding that since enough is enough, quite long they run the government, and they all know once party, if they run long time government, long year government, they are become, what to say, they become very one-sided. So thinking that, we have discussed some long series of discussion with BJP, and we have some understanding with the agreement that the high-level committee will be constituted under the Home Minister of India. That time Rajnath Singh is Home Minister.
Last government of
NDA government. Rajnath Singh signed. We have some sort of agreement, and we have constituted high-level committee to look after socio-economic and political development of indigenous people of Tripura. That is our understanding with them. And they promise us that within 90 days, this will be resolved, and this high-level committee report will be placed to the public domain. These are the understanding agreement with BJP government in the central or with BJP central leaders.
मिस्टर मिनिस्टर one thing, आप लोग बोल रहे हैं जो बात वो बात सही है, जो जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग हुआ, जो भी हुआ, एनाफ इज एनाफ, जितना भी हो उतना भी हो चुका है और नहीं है। लेकिन इस बार जो आप लोग को म्यूनिसिपैलिटी का जो चुनाव हुआ 25 नवंबर जो रिजल्ट हुआ, उस रिजल्ट में आपका पार्टी का रिजल्ट क्या था और इस पे आप लोग कितना उम्मीदवार रखते हैं? जो आप लोग बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट को गिराना चाहते हैं, आपका दल का क्या कहना है?
That is not true. Let's see, now IPFT party is allied with the BJP government in Tripura, with BJP party. And see, especially IPFT party, our focus is our own demand. So district council area is our focus. So when earlier also, we have not much interest to contest in general area, because general area is very minimum population of our people. So we concentrate only scheduled area, district council area. Therefore, our party did not contest.
Okay.
And now we realize, and I all know the party IPFT have vigorously, continuously we have a movement. As you know, all know, we have a lot of big movement. We have a Rasta Roko, 11 days, we have a national highway block and all. We have done a lot of this thing.
Over.
Then, now, unfortunately, I can say, 2021 district council election, we contest with the allied of BJP government, BJP party. BJP also contest, we also have contest. But somehow IPFT cannot do well in the district council election, last district council election. And there are a lot of things we are not coordinating with BJP and IPFT. Though you are in the government, many times I have informed them that we should coordinate each other from top level to grassroots level. But there is no any coordination, frankly speaking.
Right.
Because to run the government, LN government, we need some coordination from top level to grassroots level. But this was not done.
Grass to top level, you have the coordination, but the coordination inside, maybe some disputed and maybe controversy is present time and before time and in future also. But आप लोग को जो ईच आ रहा है, इस जगह पे आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं? आप लोग को बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट को साथ देना, कि आप लोग जो सेपरेट स्टेट डिमांड कर रहा है उस जगह पे आपको बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट साथ नहीं दे रहा है, मतलब हेल्प ही नहीं कर रहा है, तो उस जगह पे आप लोग आपको गवर्नमेंट का साथ रहना कि नहीं रहना, आप लोग क्या तैयार कर रहा है?
That is very good question you have asked me. See, our main object is statehood demand. And BJP has not taken very interest
These issues.
this issue. And I'm very frankly speaking, even local leaders, some BJP leaders are oftenly negative, oftenly criticizing to our demand. He may come across many times, including Sunil Deodorji and some other leaders, are oftenly announcing, oftenly telling that they are not supporting statehood demand, prevalent demand, this and that. So that's why our public is not happy.
What is
Once
the
we
reason? What is the reason?
I do not know. That's why I always said we have no close coordination with them. It's from since very beginning. Now, it's last month we have only, government is only 1 year more. We have already finished 4 years. Therefore, we thought, because IPFT cannot compromise, cannot negotiate, forgetting our own goal for our own demand. Our main demand is statehood demand, the prevalent demand. So we cannot compromise with that demand. Therefore, we have already discussed many times in our executive committee meeting.
मिस्टर मिनिस्टर, आप बोल रहे हैं जो आप कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करेंगे सर डिमांड के साथ, लेकिन आपका पार्टी आईपीएफटी इस वक्त आपकी त्रिपुरा गवर्नमेंट में शामिल है, जो गवर्नमेंट में रह के आप लोग कैसे कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं कर पा रहा है, मतलब आपका पार्टी कैसे कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं कर रहा है?
See, that time so we told them we are different party, we are just partner only.
मतलब पॉलिटिकल पार्टनर.
Polite partner, we are in NDA. In NDA or we are in NEDA group also, because NEDA is headed by Hemant Biswa Sharma, he is a NEDA chairman.
Yes, and Northeast.
So if you see in NEDA, there are a lot of political party involved are also in under the NEDA. Say we have Congress Sharma, he is also the MPP. But that different small party are under the NEDA. So as a minister of welfare or as a partner in the government, in near future, I thought I have to discuss with the NEDA chairman, Mr. Sharma ji, Chief Minister of Assam, and some other leaders. Because before joining with the alliance, we make alliance with the BJP, most importantly is Hemant Biswa Sharma, the NEDA chairman. He is playing important role to join with to make alliance with BJP.
BJP.
So
Last time 2018.
18. So he is the main role kingmaker, so the role player.
Mr. Sharma.
Sharma.
Hemant Biswa Sharma.
So I'll discuss with him for our future course of action. What shall we do or not to do? He also asked me that last time I met him in Guwahati, he said, we'll discuss about the matters. And I told him many things regarding our issues. And he know everything, what is what. Therefore, ultimately I think I have to discuss with him to sort out the problem. Of course, yes, also I have spoken in the media. My target is not the ministers. My target is for Tripura. So I cannot compromise with my issues. Minister is not very important. Because if my people do not want, if my party do not want, naturally I have to follow them. Because we are political leaders, our main, behind the people. If people is not supporting, if people are not happy, then naturally I also have to take the decision. Therefore, suddenly I cannot decide myself. There is a party, there is our executive body, and there is a NEDA group. I will meet them and discuss with them. And if necessary, in near future, very shortly.
Yeah.
So therefore, right now I cannot say. We have a lot of series of discussion, and now most probably next month or within these 2-3 months, since we have already become joint movement with the Pramotha and IPFT, and I informed our Maharaj also, our Pradut Kishore Maharaj also, to let us work together, and we'll starting our formula, closes. Now this is the first in Delhi movement, jointly we have organized. In future also, we'll organize again, and we'll see. We'll check out the strategy. We'll check out the plan.
First time you jointly organize this program?
This is the first time.
But first time you have to click your program and over click the program, you know?
No, not that. Because since, we have postponed one date, that is 14 we're supposed to do.
Okay.
But we have postponed 27. Thinking that because we have to take the opportunities that since Parliament session is going on, will be held from 29 November. So thinking that we will want to catch.
Started for the 29th and 30th.
Yes, 29, because since we all know every people will come here, all the MPs from different part of the country will be gathered here together. So we just focus our issues, because during this time, the good time, we can expose, and therefore this result why many MPs is supporting us. They came to have a solidarity, so we're very grateful to them, and hopefully I think I told you this is the beginning, joint movement. In future there will be more vigorous movement unless we achieve our goal.
Maharaja and your parties, Maharaja's parties and your parties, jointly जो ये मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं आप लोग कितना उम्मीदें रखते हैं जो आप लोग का साथ इस बार गवर्नमेंट ना माने तो त्रिपुरा में कमिंग इलेक्शन, असेंबली इलेक्शन हो रहा है 2023 में, उस इलेक्शन में आप लोग जैसे आपका पार्टी IPFT पहले बीजेपी को साथ दिया था, तो इस बार आप लोग त्रिपुरा मोथा जो अपना महाराजा की जो पार्टी है और IPFT आप लोग का पार्टी है, जॉइंटली मिलकर चुनाव लड़ेंगे। और आपने आज भी आप लोग का महाराजा भी अपने स्पीच में बोला दिया था जो सबक सिखाएंगे।
See, again I want to repeat the same sentence. 2018 we have some sort of agreement, sort of understanding with BJP, but they are not fulfilling. As I told you, this is a high level committee which is constituted under Home Ministry.
Right.
But this committee has not any action. They don't have any white paper this thing. Therefore, we are not very happy, because they have committed they will do something for us, but already 4 years already passed by. Till now they have no any action. Therefore, again I am telling, we have learned a lesson. Let us see what will happen coming election, general election, this assembly election, and it is very certain that the Pramotha and IPFT will work together, and even in election time also, coming election also, will work together.
जैसे आपका साथ बीजेपी का बहुत ही अच्छे ताल्लुकात है, सुदीप जी है, सुदीप जी आपका स्टेट का एक बीजेपी का भी नेता है, कांग्रेस का भी नेता था पहले, उनके साथ भी अच्छे ताल्लुकात है आप लोग। लेकिन अभी जो आपका स्टेट में जो सिचुएशन चल रहा है, इस सिचुएशन में जैसे आप जिस मिनिस्ट्री से बिलोंग करते हैं, जो डिपार्टमेंट से आप अभी संभाल रहा है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स संभाल रहा है स्टेट ऑफ त्रिपुरा, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा का, तो उस आपका स्टेट में कितना एरिया मतलब 6 शेड्यूल्स एरियाज में पड़ जाते हैं, कितना है?
See, even my own constituency is under the 6 scheduled areas.
Under the 6
my constituency is fully covered by 6 scheduled areas.
Because all are tribal.
All are tribal. Not all tribal, but there are some non-tribal also.
Non-tribal is
but
there.
Maximum in tribal.
Majority
is indigenous people. 80% above is indigenous people. So my areas exclusively 100% is scheduled areas.
Scheduled areas.
And regarding the Sudeep, he is my very good friend. I know him very well. He really very good leaders. But I do not know what is internal problem with the BJP. That is, of course, I am not BJP man. I have not much idea what is going on internally with the BJP and Sudeep. I am not very clear. But as a person, I like him very much. He is a very dynamic leader. He is son of the soil. and he never lost his MLA. I think 4 or 5 times he won MLA during even CPM communist time also. He never failed, and he's very good man. He's very attached to the public, and only not myself, but everybody they have acknowledged him. He's a very good leader.
मिस्टर मिनिस्टर, और एक बात है, जैसे आपका राज्य में अभी बहुत सारे आपने कहा जो आपका एरिया में व आप लोग जो स्टेट रूट को डिमांड लेकर लगा है व जो उस एरिया में ना मेडिकल कॉलेज है, ना एजुकेशन से का व कल्चरल व लैंग्वेज का कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ रहा है व कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, डेवलपमेंट बोल के कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है। आप खुद एक मंत्री होकर आर यू राइट नाउ प्रेजेंट मिनिस्टर इन फॉर योर स्टेट, आपने अपना मुख से निकाल रहा है, मतलब तो जनता कितना दुखी होंगे। तो इस जगह पे आपको क्या लगता है, आपने खुद एक मंत्री, एक स्टेट का मंत्री बोल रहा है जो हमारा राज्य में, हमारा उस एरिया में, हमारा जनता के लिए कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, मतलब बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट बोलो और अपना सीपीएम गवर्नमेंट बोलो, लेफ्ट गवर्नमेंट बोलो, मतलब आप लोग को एरिया के लिए कुछ भी नहीं किया आज तक। आप खुद मंत्रियों की बात बोल रहा है, मतलब जनता क्या समझे?
There is a main reason behind why our people are not happy. In my speech, I have mentioned that for the last 70 years of independence, you'll be wonder. It is a true fact. In scheduled area, in tribal areas, you'll not find single hospital, good hospital, not a single good colleges, not a single market, supermarket. This is the problem. This always I'm not ashamed, I'm not feel shy to tell the truth. That is the problem. Communist CPM government, Reform government, Congress government, now BJP government, almost 5 years now, 4 years completed. But they have to realize why it is happening. And central leadership of BJP should also realize why it is happening. You see, as I told you, the health problem. You will not find any good hospital in this area.
Yeah.
All the patients, they have to rush to Agartala, Jib Hospital, Ajim Hospital.
Yeah.
And when they want to study colleges, they have to come to Agartala. Because there is no good colleges. No option for them.
Yeah.
Even poor people also, they have to come to Agartala to get good education. So this is a fact.
So sad.
Very sad. You will not find any good hospital.
But on Minister is saying until no possibility and no development and some part of Tripura, and Minister is really sorrow and for hardly throw for sad.
That is because see,
that's true.
Though I'm a minister, I'm telling, I will not feel shy, and I'm not afraid to tell the truth. But this is a fact. And again, I'll tell another story. In the name of development or in the name of security, we have around, I think, 12 or 13 battalion, which you call State Rifle, TSR, Tripura State Rifle. We have around 12 battalion. All the battalion headquarters is located in ADC area, scheduled area, tribal area. They have occupied big land. Acres of land.
Acres of land.
There was tribal land occupied by TSR, that means headquarters. All the headquarters, the rifle, headquarters is within the ADC area. So my big question, because to make a battle headquarters, we need huge amount of land.
Yeah.
Then why you cannot open the college? Why you cannot open the school in that area? For example, Jampujala, you see, we have a very big area, Jampujala. There are TSR headquarters there. Maybe 4 or 5 battalion. So all the battalion headquarters is located in ADC area.
Sir, actually, please sir.
Then how you can imagine by giving the headquarters, police headquarters, this headquarters,
really?
That people will learn there, they will get any education, they will get any health facility there? No.
सर one thing, आपने जो कहा उस इतना मतलब एक मंत्री जब ऐसा बोल रहा है तो जनता को हाल क्या हो सकता है तो एकदम आसानी से अनुमान कर लगा सकता है। और हम लोग अभी 2-4 क्वेश्चन और भी मंत्री साहब को पूछेंगे। मंत्री साहब के पास जानना चाहूँगा जो आप अपना त्रिपुरा वासी को अपना त्रिपुरा लैंड के लिए जो आज एजिटेशन चल रहा है, जो लड़ाई चल रहा है आप लोग को, उन लोग को क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं आप लोग? उनको क्या एश्योरेंस करना चाहते हैं? प्लीज यू से फॉर योर लोकल लैंग्वेज, आइदर हिंदी.
Therefore, my request ये होगा, एनफ इज एनफ. हम लोग बहुत त्रिपुरा में, स्पेशली इंडिजिनस पीपल, द त्रिपुरा पीपल सफ़र हुआ है. हम लोग मिनिमम फैसिलिटी, जस्टिस हम लोग नहीं मिल रहा है. तभी सभी क्षेत्र में, शिक्षा हो, एजुकेशन, हॉस्पिटल हो, हेल्थ हो, और भी इकोनॉमिक बिजनेस हो, हम लोग के पास कुछ नहीं है. इसलिए हम बोलना चाहता हूँ, हम लोग स्पेशली हम लोग इंडिजिनस पीपल को, त्रिपुरी पीपल को, टू ओवरकम दिस इश्यूज, हम लोग एकता होना चाहिए, यूनिटी होना चाहिए. ये आवाज़ हम लोग का महाराज प्रद्युत किशोर वो उठाया है. वो भी समझ गया जो हम लोग एकता नहीं होता तो जो हम लोग मांग रहा है, हम लोग लड़ रहा है, वो अचीव नहीं होगा. इसलिए हम रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ इस पर हम लोग को, त्रिपुरावासी को, त्रिपुरा शाह को, चलो हम लोग एकता हर के हम लोग लड़ेंगे. हम लोग मांग रहे हैं स्टेटहुड डिमांड, उसको अचीव करने के लिए हम लोग 2021 है, बार बार हम लोग बोल रहे हैं, महाराज बोल रहा है 2023 में हम लोग चुनाव हो रहा है, जनरल इलेक्शन असेंबली हो रहा है. उसके लिए हम लोग एक साथ लड़ेंगे. तो हम लोग 20 हम लोग रिजर्व सीट है, 20 से हम लोग ज़्यादा 30-35 सीट हम लोग लड़ेंगे. Then I think regional party will become factors, will be kingmakers in the formation of
new state,
in the formation of government. And side by side, our main target, our main demand is statehood demand. वो भी हम लोग जारी रहेंगे.
सर, आपने जो कहा न्यू स्टेट और गवर्नमेंट जो बोला आपने 2023 की चुनाव के बारे में, हम आपके पास एक प्रश्न और रखना चाहता हूँ. आपने जो अपील करने के बाद आपका ये इंटरव्यू जब आपका राज्यों पे आपका अलायंस पार्टी का नेतृत्व देखेंगे व लीडर्स लोग देखेंगे, आप लोग के साथ अलायंस रहेंगे, आप उम्मीद रखते हैं आपका साथ? अच्छा, अभी आप लोग को विधानसभा में, असेंबली में आप लोग को सीट कितना है और बीजेपी का कितना है?
असेंबली में हम लोग अभी 8 MLA है, 8 MLA मेंबर है, मेंबर ऑफ असेंबली 8 है.
बीजेपी
के 36 है. 36 है.
तो उन लोग तो सिंगल मेजोरिटी में है.
उन लोग सिंगल मेजोरिटी में है.
तो आप लोग अभी उन लोग को सरकार से निकाल जाने से भी उन लोग
को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बात हम लोग ऐसे ये सोच रहा है, अब तो 2-3 मंथ आप लोग मालूम हो जाएगा हम लोग क्या होगा ना होगा. हम लोग अभी त्रिपुरा जाके हम लोग बातचीत करेंगे, हम लोग पार्टी के साथ, हम लोग जनता के साथ मिल के हम लोग डिसीजन लेंगे. सो राइट नाउ आई कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग, बट समथिंग विल हैपन.
Something will happen in future.
Thank
you, Mr. Minister. दर्शकों, आप लोग ने देखा जो त्रिपुरा का ट्राइबल मिनिस्टर जी ने जो कहा, उस कहना पर त्रिपुरा वासी और त्रिपुरा लैंड का वासी के लिए कितना दुख दर्दी की बात उन्हें सामने रखा. जो एक स्टेट का मिनिस्टर खुद बोल रहा है कि राज्यों के कोई विकास नहीं हो रहा है, उस राज्यों के हल क्या हो सकते. तो यहाँ से आप सहज अंदाजा लगा सकता है. कैमरा है विक्रम रहा का साथ मिलन छेत्री, साथ ही इस DSTV का यूनिट में मीनाक्षी भट्टाचार्य, शुभजीत पुतपुंडो, दिल्ली से, नया दिल्ली से. इस वक्त हम लोग त्रिपुरा भवन में